automotive art on Facebook. I want to present you loraswap.com. I created this application to allow people to create images, AI images of cars using the LoRa's I have created locally on my computer. A LoRa is a computational model, very accurate, fed with a specific data set of images in order to render precisely the model of car that you intend to render accurately. Sorry for my accent, sorry for my English, I do my best, I'm better at writing, I'm better at reading, but speaking is not so easy as I am French, as you may have noticed. So I will try to make it short. Let's start generating images. The easy way to start to generate images is first to select among the 220 LoRa's that are in the database. You select the one you want, the one you like. If you want a preview more detailed of a LoRa, you go at the front page and you can see the sample galleries, make a preview using AI, select and choose the model you want. If you have no idea of what model to choose, you select a random one, just like I have done now, and you can start prompting a text like you would do in any AI program. So this Cadillac Series 62 1949 is cruising along Venice Beach on a beautiful sunset. Simple prompt, descriptive, and that's all. I select the aspect ratio 16:9, and right now I can generate my image after the prompt I just wrote 5 seconds ago. The AI model by default is fluxlora, which is a very performant model, and that can use LoRa with a lot of precision. As you can see, if you know the car, this is a Cadillac Series 62 1949. You have a lot of small details that reproduce the car very accurately because I have used the LoRa. If I use, for instance, Schnell, which is very fast, much less expensive, he has no clue he has a clue of what a car from this period is, but it will not be precisely the model I wanted, as you can see. And the third option, which is Google Imagen 4, is a very interesting model, a bit costly, but the images are beautiful, so I included it in my plans. It doesn't use the computational model LoRa. He has no clue of what is in the model, but is able to interpret from the trigger word of the LoRa what we are talking about. So I can generate an image. He won't use the LoRa, even though the picture, if he knows in his database what is a Cadillac Series 62 1949, we will get pretty. So the style is a bit not what I'm surprised, but what went out. So I will generate another one. I don't know why he has put these square clouds in the sky. It's a bit surprising, but anyway, something in my okay, my demonstration is messed up. That's not good. I will enhance the prompt in order to avoid the aspect. I don't know what in my prompt triggered those square clouds. It's ridiculous. But anyway, okay. I enhanced the prompt, the initial prompt, using ChatGPT by clicking on the enhance button. And you see from the 5 or 6 words that I had, he made a beautiful description of what I intended to show. And there you go, you have a wonderful picture of a Cadillac 1960 Series 62 from 1949 on a beach, which may be even nice beach, I don't know, at the sunset, and the image is beautiful. So, first thing, by default, if you want to use the LoRa's and select one of the 220 cards, you use Crea Premium right there. Then you add, so I will cancel what is in the prompt box. I will select, I don't know, I will take not a Cadillac, I said. I will take this one, VW Beetle Sedan. And if I don't want to prompt myself, I can use a smart prompt builder I created, which will select, which will randomly choose a view of the car. I will select manually one that I want. I will select a color by myself too. Silver is nice. And I want to be glittery because I love glittery paint car. Burning, no, not burning, just skidding, that will be enough at the golden hours. Mixed clue type, I want something more. I will take this one. I don't know what it looks like, but it's a nice, the name is nice. And the location and environment, Swiss Alps is perfect. I make add select option to prompt, and boom, all the words in the smart prompt builder are now in the prompt separated by commas, and I can already generate an image like that without typing anything. You can do that from your phone if you want. It's very interesting. And there you go. You have my 1960 VW Beetle sedan in the Swiss Alps with the special clothes I selected at the golden hour. Everything is there. Same, I can enhance the prompt if I want for 0.5 credit. He will mix up all the words to make a beautiful description, real poetry, to get a complex prompt. I save my image before I can generate a new one. Nothing is saved on the application itself. You have to save your own images by yourself. And I generate the image, and ta-da! What will go? Oh, look at that! And you can see that all the additions in the prompt have increased the realistic aspect of the image. It's a really compelling image with a beautiful sunset. Look at the textures, the blur in the background, the details on the car. It's wonderful. No driver, I'm sorry, but I don't like to put drivers or characters in my pictures. I will add a character prompt generator, but for now, if you want a driver, you type it in the prompt, it will be okay for you. So, once you have done that, the purpose of the application is to generate images, but to share images and to share them on the group, on AI Automotive Art. This group who has grown dramatically. We are now nearly 500,000 to share on the group. It's incredible, and I hope it to grow more and more and have more people doing what we all do on the platform, generating new image and beautiful images. So I copy the message, which contains the prompts, but also hashtags. I go to AI Automotive Art Group, and I can share the prompt. I passed the text, pick up my car in the download folder, right there. No, that's not this one, sorry. On va y arriver. be this one. Yes, that's it. Publish, and there you are. You have this image shared to the world. As you can see, it's very easy to use. I work on it every day, so there are many changes that will come in the future to make it more accessible, more easier and easier, so anyone can use it, even on a phone, if it's a way you create your images. Personally, I create them more on the computer, but sometimes on the phone too. To close this video, I will present you the packages. Creating such an app is costly for me, of course. As you can see, there is no company, big company behind me. I made all by myself what you have seen so far. So I offer several plans, very at the very best price you can find. €1, €3, €5, €10, to produce 600, 250, 100 or 25 images. Right now, you can get twice credit. You buy 100, you will be credited by 200. You buy 250, you will get 500 credits. So you can you can really make you an opinion on this, and I hope that you will like it, that you will give me feedback, so I can go further. My dream would be to be able to generate the images locally, so I could manage a price at a lower rate that it is right now. But that's in the future. If I have your support, if I have your appreciation, if you put the same energy in LoraSwap as you have done in AI automotive art, the sky is the limit. Thank you very much. Sorry again for my accent and my English. It's not so good, but I guess you understood me. I'm eager to read your comments about this presentation, about this project, and just to say hello, it will be fine. Bye bye. Thank you very much.